how to make Steam app load faster on old PC. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is remove all of the tabs that you do not require anymore, right? So if you do not need your tabs anymore, simply remove all of them so that it would help your PC load faster. So in here, after doing that, another thing that you can do is, so for example, let's just say you are playing a game, right? So if you're playing a game, the first thing that you need to do is simply click on your escape key, and after doing that, your settings will be opened. And then from there, click on interface and disable the startup options if you don't need it. So after doing that, you can clear the Steam download cache, and then you can simply restart the game and restart your PC too. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that it will help your PC run much more faster on the Steam application. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.